Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Sony LinkBuds to your Android smartphone. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. On the back of the charging case you can find USB-C input, so right here you can go with your charger. The next step is very simple, you have to open them by using this button. Just be sure that they are stick to the pins. Rotate them like that, and we are going to use this button, so we have to click and hold it until this indicator on the front, this one, starts blinking on the blue. So keep holding, and as you can see right now it's blinking, so we can release the button. And as you can see in my case that's automatic connection, but I'm going to show you step by step how to make it. So we have to simply open the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone, and after that click to pair new device. When the LinkBuds appears on the list, just tap on them once. Accept pairing. And as you can see, after a few moments, we are successfully connected. And right now there will be a second step. We can open the Play Store and get the Sony headphones application. Click install. Tap to open. Right now we have to select our country, accept the stuff, so keep tapping. Click next at the bottom, accept all of this, click OK for another time, accept this, and then tap to close. Close another time, click OK, accept another permissions, and as you can see, and we are connected because we previously paired them with our phone by using the standard Bluetooth settings. We can restore the previous data, but I'm gonna proceed without, so we can set them up. Okay, and go to dashboard, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's how it looks in this device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.